doing?
Yeah, those down here.
Yeah, okay. I haven't seen them chickens.
Hi.
She's so cute. She's pretty.
Isn't she adorable?
She's so big. She's so big.
And this one's gonna
I know, you're getting so big.
Hi.
Yeah, they're really pretty. They got pretty colors to them.
Uh-oh. Here comes
I
Sissy.
didn't realize they were quite that big. I
Here
thought
comes
they
your
were
brother.
smaller for some reason.
Here comes
Don't-
your brother.
You know,
Don't
kids
say
think
that.
babies, you know.
I'm already like, why is your face so dark?
I
Red.
just got them calling mine babies, though.
She is. Her face is really red.
They're old enough for that to happen. So stop
She
making...
looks like she's got a hen tail. Anyway.
She's a hen. She's a hen, so stop giving me rooxiety.
That one right here is a brown Brahma.
Is it?
Yeah.
What are you doing to my hair?
What color Brahma eggs did you give me?
Those would be like,
You are so cute.
like a light brown.
Oh, you're so cute. Are you ready for bed? Yeah? Okay. Oh, wonderful.